Alrighty, here we go. Let's figure out why this machine won't start. We're going to test the battery to see if the battery is still good. She said she left the key on for a few days, so I'm assuming this battery is dead, but we'll do a voltage drop on it here. The battery should show over 12 volts, and screen's a little blurred out, but it is showing 7.9 volts, which is not good. That's pretty low. So I'm going to set the parking brake here. That way I can crank it without sitting on the seat. And we are going to do a voltage drop utilizing the starter. We're going to hit the starter while looking at the voltage. The voltage should hold pretty steady, and it doesn't. It drops from 7 to 0.1 volts, which is bad. It's a bad battery. It is not holding a charge at all. So we're going to put a new battery in it and see if she fires up. And we will also see if the alternator is working on this machine as well. So we're going to remove this battery here. When you go and buy a new battery, you want, for this particular machine, you can see the positive pole is on the left side. Most mower batteries, that's how it is. Positive pole is closest to you on the left side. And so that is the battery that you should buy. If I got the pole on the wrong side, you can see how short that positive cable is. If the pole was on the wrong side, it would not work, even if you flip the battery backwards.
That's exactly right.
All right, I like to use 230 cranking amp batteries. You could go a little bit bigger, but this battery is just fine for this machine. You want to make sure you get these cables nice and snug. If there's any rust or corrosion on these cables, you want to hit them with some sandpaper. And cranking, we're holding at about 10.9 volts, which is exactly what you want. And this alternator should be juicing the battery anywhere from 13 to 15 volts, and you can see it's pushing the battery all the way to 15.6 volts, which shows a good alternator. This alternator is charging the battery just fine. And so that is a good repair. Another happy customer. Make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.